you like amazing drives?
Today we're driving from Casa de Fruta to Morgan Hill, California.
That's what we're fixing to show ya.
Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Kinsey.
And we're younger every day. So basically, we bought a fifth wheel, sold all our stuff in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west. Now I'm going to school and we're loving this crazy life. On this channel, we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and take you on amazing adventures. And as a bonus, we take you on amazing drives just like this one. So go ahead and click subscribe and join the younger gang so you can be a part of our community. And don't forget to ring that bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. If you haven't seen some of our other videos,
you can click right up here to check some of them out.
Today we're driving from Casa de Fruta, link in the description below, to Morgan Hill, California. Check it out. Today is a momentous occasion because it is 8:51 and we are rolling out. This is the earliest we've ever left to do anything. And thankfully today we only have about a 30-minute drive, so I'm excited about that. We're going to share that with you. Hope you enjoy it.
Once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. Riding on the dizzying highs. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. Standing on the dizzying highs. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on dizzying highs. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on the dizzying highs. I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were trying me your shoulders, I'm closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights.
So that was a beautiful drive, huh?
Yes!
That was one of the prettiest drives that we've done since we started this. Now we want to know,
What's your favorite drive?
let us know in the comments below.
If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to click subscribe and join the Younger Gang so you can be part of our community. Also, we hope you'll check out some of our other videos right over here. So, leaving the earliest we've left since we started this journey, only to find that there's a beautiful drive between us and our destination. It's just another way that we're living younger every day.
We'll see you in the next one.